Hey guys, welcome back to Oz Biker. Hope you're all well. Thanks heaps for tuning in. Today I'm riding with Shane, he's centre screen, and Daryl to the left. They're both on 300 rallies. Mad Bruce, he's behind Shane. He's on the Tenere 700 that we're looking at. And the boys are just having a discussion. They've had enough riding. They want to get back and watch this Oz Biker video. They're going to kill me for saying that. But anyhow guys, thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoy the video and let's go riding. I'm getting the new Dominator HP3 exhaust too, guys. It's meant to give 7 horsepower more and 5 Newton meters of torque, and not that I can use all the power of the bike as it is anyhow, but it's still good to have the extra torque. And you don't need a tune either, guys. That's standard, unless you put a air filter on it, and then you're going to run a bit leaner naturally. So I won't be putting an air filter on it, because I don't want to spend the money on the tune. Bike will have enough grunt anyhow. 7 more horsepower, geez, it's going to take it up to what, 86 horsepower and 75 or 76 Newton meters of torque, which is ample in the bush. Like that, it just comes down perfectly. On the last ride, part 2 of the muddy conditions we had, mate, I tell you, that was so slippery, and I ended up having a Motard Rousey Adventure tyre. Not Rousey, just the Adventure tyre. And you can definitely notice a difference with the Rousey compared to the Adventure. The knobbies, they look similar, but the knobble is spaced, and no tyre's really good in clay, but any little advantage you can get with clay, with the Rouseys, they actually clean, the tyre cleans itself a little bit better, where the Adventure tyre was just clogging up, mate. And I tell you, what an effort that was. They'd be great going up. You haven't got anything to worry about, like pulling the bike up, coming downhill. Just power on. Awesome. We should do this track going up one time. That way you have a bit of a play. I got these R&G engine covers, which I'll put a photo up of it off AliExpress. Okay, they mightn't be authentic RG racing covers, they certainly look like it, and but the quality dead set, guys. I couldn't fault it. They're solid as, and I think I only paid $67 for all three, both sides, and water jacket. I think it's a water in pump inlet cover. With these handguards too, guys, the HBD off-road ones, they sell, as I wasn't going to say, yeah, as I was saying in the video about them, they sell not only for the Tuareg, but for every bike, KTM, Yamaha. So if you're watching this video, guys, and you don't own a Tuareg, just have a look at their site, because they've got ones for Yamaha and Honda, 300 rallies, you name it, pretty well every bike, and they're solid as, really, really good. And they got plus other stuff like USB ports that connect onto these grips that they, the clamps that they give you. You can see the, I'll slow down a bit, extra screw holes there for adapting different things to it. So definitely worth having a look, guys. Great track. Is this any indication what today's going to be like? It's going to be an awesome ride. Sit back, pick me line. Mate, the forest is so green. Look at all the grass growing and stuff due to the rainy rain that we've had. Everything's just pumping in growth. Hey guys, hope you're enjoying the video. You can probably tell the sound's a little bit different. It's actually recording from the back camera. The reason being, it was recording from the front, like as you can see, but no sound. I've had nothing but problems with this camera, especially on this ride. Shane out front, he's got I've got the 8, he's got the 10. And he's having nothing but problems with his as well. I don't know what it is. Sometimes the voice comes over, other times it don't. But we're coming down to a really nice little creek crossing, and Bruce got stuck halfway up in the sloppy mud, and I had to stop and then go again, and you'll see where just as I get to the top, the whole bike's just going a bit sideways. You'll see it. I was all over the track. It was slippery as, but a great little creek crossing, I tell you. I did have the adventure tyres, and they put them on by mistake. They come good with it and put the Rousers, but I'll tell you, you definitely notice a difference when you come into this sort of stuff, muddy, a little bit sloppier stuff. The Rouser just eats the adventure tyre, definitely. But anyhow guys, this is the section where we're going through the creek crossing. You'll see it go out sideways, and then we go to a front camera again. Righto guys, I'll chat soon. I hope you're enjoying the video. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing that, and I'll chat soon. Nice, another little track. Good thing about exploring, see if Bruce is through. He should be. Oh, he's coming. Oh, Shane's down. That I should have went up it a lot quicker. Turn the touch control off. Get up on your pegs. Yeah, I blew that totally. Hey guys, I hope you enjoyed the video. What an absolute poor effort going up that hill. If you haven't subscribed, consider doing that, giving the video a like. Anyhow guys, I'll see you on the next one. Ride safe, stay safe, and I'll talk soon.